Welcome to another Vahrenberg Implement pre-owned trade-in. Today we're here with a 2016 John Deere 2025R. This is a 24.2 engine horsepower tractor that produces 18 PTO horsepower. This one has 101 hours on it. It comes with the H130 loader, which is a quick detach loader. Got the nitride chemically treated cylinders there on the front and rear. You can see got the John Deere quick attach system. You pull these pins and you can use John Deere implements to do it. Got a grill guard here. You pull the pin, that folds down. You have a lever right here to pop the hood up. Got a clean out screen up from front here. Got your battery, air cleaner, muffler, fuel tank there. You can get to it from the outside. Oil fill. You've got your dipstick down here, your oil filter, coolant overflow. There's your injection pump. This is a little 3-cylinder. Got the R4 tires on it. They got the 23-850 12-inch fronts. And we come back here to the backs. And there they are. 12 by 16s on the back. Great tread on it. Got the joystick here, separate front rear pedals, 3-point hitch, raise and lower, your hand throttle, parking brake. That's for mid-mount mower. That's your 3-point flow control. This one does come with a Frontier, which is distributed by John Deere, RC 2048 rotary cutter. It's got the belt deflector in the front. It's looks like shear pin, shear bolt protection. Got the rear deflector in the back, laminate tire. It's a 4-foot cutter, category 1 hitch comes with it. See the back end got foldable ROPS. You have your PTO engagement here, your high and low range. This is a 2-range Hydrostat. Got your brakes on this side, PTO switch here, your light switches, John Deere flip up seat there. Got your alternator, your starter. This one is poly hood. That sounds like metal fenders on this one. It does come with a Frontier box blade. It's a BB 2060. It's a 5-foot box blade. You got a rear cutting edge, a front cutting edge, Scarifier teeth, adjustable Scarifiers on the front. Man, this sucker looks pretty. It ain't been used a whole lot. This package. There's your front axle. There's your product identification number. Check this package out, man. That's a super nice looking deal. Gonna pick this up, flip that forward. Put that hood down, you pull this back, flip that lever, locks that in place. Bucket gauge rod. We're going to fire it up, drive it, operate it a little bit, show you that it operates. Got operator manual holder here. There's one on the deck there. There's one on the box blade. We've got manuals for it too. Nice little 25. This is the 25 horse class compact. This is going to be very similar to a Massey Ferguson 1526. There's your fuel tank up here on top. And that may be metal because there's a dent right there. Oil fill here. This is diff lock there. Not sure what that lever is. We'll jump up here, fire it up. And we don't have it in range. You got to have this in neutral, PTO off. Starts right up, man. Raise the 3-point here. Lift our loader, get our park brake off. And we want to go backwards. Put it in low range. Back out of here so we can show you the operation of this thing. Flip the loader up here. Increase the speed a little bit. You can see the lights on the back of the loader there, 2 beams. Got your hazards here. Both sides work. This is your PTO engagement. I'd say that's, well, this is rear PTO. This is rear, this is both, this is mid. That runs. You can hear the cutter running. PTO operates there. Put her in forward and we'll take her for a spin. It does not have auto throttle. It's all manual throttle here. Got your loader. By the paperwork, this thing still has some warranty available on it. You would need to talk to your local John Deere dealer to see what's available and what they offer. But very nice local trade-in. Check it out, Vahrenberg implement. The second range, we'll just try it real quick. There's high range. 4-wheel drive engagement lights on. Got your brakes here. Lower the 3-point. Put our brake. This locks both brakes together. Turn the lights off. There's your blinkers. Looks like 3,000 RPM is rated PTO speed. 101 hours. 101 hours. There ain't no hours on this sucker. It's virtually a brand new tractor. Come check out this package deal on this 2016 John Deere 2025R compact tractor. This is what we call a mid-size compact. It's a little bigger than a subcompact, smaller than a full-size compact. Come to Vahrenberg Implement. We're here at the first stoplight right now. There's an accident here, but we're just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, 49 miles east of the Missouri-Kansas line, just outside of Kansas City, Missouri. You'll see the big Rhino cutter display and our used pre-owned inventory before you get to all the Massey Fergusons. Come visit us, Vahrenberg Implement. Check out this 2025R and take it home today. There is some used financing available from AGCO Finance on this tractor. They have some competitive rates, low rates actually, on pre-owned implements traded in off Massey Ferguson tractors. Oh, and there's the loader serial number right there. Product identification number on the loader. The box blade for your information if you need it is right there. And we'll go to the rotary cutter right back here. Come check it out. Local, low hour trade-in at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson dealer, here to help serve your needs.